Okay, back again with us, BPC. Still talking about sport. Okay, according to the previous conversation, we already talked about the favorite players, and now we move to the sport itself. The sport that I mean here about what is the typical or the ideal time to do the sport. So that's why not only doing sport, but also we can get many benefits from sport that we already done. For example, I do cycling. I do cycling only for 5 minutes just for fun. Besides, for fun, we can do cycling for our health too. So what is the typical the ideal time to do sport? And then for example, you have to do sport. For example, twice in a week to get you more health and so on. Okay, maybe from Monday first.
Okay, as a workout addict, yeah, I suggest to tell guys, as my experience, at least you should do three times in a week. It's minimum.
Okay.
But for me, because I have more time and I'm in a leisure times, I am traveling, so I'm so focused about my healthy first, and that is I keep my workout as a priority. And yeah, I have no idea actually. I must tell you that be consequent and be disciplined for yourself, because it's once you do, I mean, it's just like once you do, you have no any spirit to do that. Like because of the rain, or you also in another situation, yeah, and you don't follow that kind of bad habit. Once you do it, then you will repeat it in the next day. And like me actually, sometimes also the laziness, this how to say, like disorder, the laziness disorder. But once I open my Instagram, then I checking like how to say the new updates from Sophia Judo, and it makes me, it's like it moves me that I have to do it right now. And
okay.
yeah, and not only about that, but also yeah, we keep the food, the healthy food by doing detox. Even if it's hard for you, everyone guys, but once you try, maybe it's like weird and
Yeah, I agree.
but if you do it consequent, like at least 2 times in a week, then I'm pretty sure that you can see the result as you see in the mirror that, hi, I look fresh, I look young, I don't have to go to the dermatologist for like doing some instant only for make you look younger and pretty or something like that. And yeah, I'm successful for doing that. Then some people wonder me why. I mean, some people ask me like, which one is your best dermatologist in Makassar? Then I tell them that I'm no longer using dermatologist. I used to go to dermatologist or clinic beauty or something like that. But in 3 years, last, I'm no longer. So because I believe that everything is coming from inside, from the inside, not the outside. Yeah, maybe you prepare for, you have a lot of money, but I think it's not just your healthy inside, and also you look.
Yeah.
And I can feel the benefit because my size is right now about S or M. Exactly. Yeah, I still can be how to say, not compete, yeah, but like you guys, I mean, I enjoy my body right now. Look so fresh.
Yeah.
Like you guys are not wearing formal dress or something. That's the tips for me. Be consistent for that.
Yeah. That's the important thing. Be consistent.
Yes,
Yeah.
be consistent.
Be consistent. Okay. Mr. Ardan, how about you? Like the typical time maybe, or maybe you have something like suggest. Oh, you have to eat this, have to do that or something. Yes.
Okay, first of all, thank you for the chance given to me. So when I'm doing cycling, I used to ride it on the afternoon, because when I when I go with my cycle.
Mm-mm.
So the weather is totally support me to ride far. I ever went to the Takalar Bupati apa sih?
Takalar.
Bupati Takalar, kantor Bupati
Oh.
Takalar. Yeah, I ever went to kantor Bupati Takalar with my cycle from Makassar to Takalar. So it's about to 25 kilometer. So that's why it's yeah, of course. I starting 2 o'clock and I back after Maghrib. So that's why it's spend much effort. So I'm totally excited, but I didn't regret that because it was amazing. I can see many places, many different places. I visit many. It's kind of like it's like kind of vacation for me. Even though like it's I'm doing sport, but in other side I'm doing vacation. That's why I really love to ride bicycle in the afternoon, but in the morning I used to like jogging. I need to place a proper place like a park, like in Losari Beach and Karebosi or something like that. So that's why I used to jogging
And
in
you
that
can
place.
play it also? Play with the girl?
No, no.
Don't do that. That's one of the like just focus on sport, yeah. Okay,
After
okay.
sport maybe ya.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. But so it means that that's your do you do it how many times for jogging?
For jogging, so that's why I told you that at least twice in a week.
And you do it
Do it
how many times?
twice.
Twice. Okay. Okay, more than twice. Okay. How about cycling?
Cycling sometimes 3 times, but not in a far place.
Oh.
Maybe around my home.
Oh, okay. Also, you said that you started at 2 at noon.
No, it's like it was my best experience. Like I challenged myself to ride so far.
Yeah. But what is the benefit right so far?
The benefit, of course, I didn't feel lazy. I
Oh.
didn't feel lazy, and like it's like desiring me to do more, to cycling more, cycling more far. So that's why I feel those benefits.
Okay.
I didn't less of focus. I when I doing workout, I feel like I feel like I sleep well.
Oh,
Sleep,
yeah.
Good quality of sleep,
yes.
Yeah.
Because of
Oh.
workout, we tired, so we directly sleep.
Yes.
Okay. And sweating a lot.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Agree with you.
Don't be lazy, guys. Yeah.
Don't be lazy.
And be consistent. Okay, so according to the sport that you already mentioned, guys, we also can have the quality of sleep. Yeah, agree. Like you mentioned before. For example, when you get tired and then suddenly sleep, then your sleep should be like should be really relaxed.
That's
Yeah.
why you will get fresh.
Yeah.
That's
The
good.
next day.
Fresh, and your body maybe get hurt a little bit.
At the first time actually.
At the
If
first
you
time.
do it,
Oh.
but if you do it consistent, then
If you do it consistent, then it's no more hurt.
more.
Pain.
No pain. No pain.
Okay, so that's the tips from two of us. I already explained about the benefits of sport, and also combined by healthy food and sleeping well and so on. So here we have some vocabularies and or items that we want to share with smart listeners. And okay, Miss Samantha.
I don't have it.
Okay, maybe you want to give for smart listeners some.
Okay. From our discussion before, we got like some new vocabulary for
Okay,
us. One, sporty. It describes someone who is really interested into sport and who plays sport quite often.
What is that?
Sporty.
Sporty.
It's called sporty. So the second one is the fanatic. It means someone who is love about, who's really like fanatic or loves about this thing.
Oh, okay, fanatic.
It's called like fanatic.
Fanatic. Okay.
And also another phrases that we find in like I find swimming really good for my health.
Okay.
I find
Fine.
Yeah.
F-I-N-D.
Yes.
I find swimming is really good.
For relaxation, for example.
Oh, okay. I find blah blah blah
Yeah.
like that. Okay.
I think that's all for me.
Okay. Okay, maybe Mr. Achang.
Okay, so actually, yeah, I just wanna share in my conclusion probably, can I?
Okay,
Yeah,
please.
actually guys, if you wanna start something, yeah, what you have to, yeah, notice that you have to like start, yeah.
Tom's here. Why you always get this guy?
Yeah,
always
you can start, and after that don't be lazy guys, because sport is very important with us to gain healthy. Because what the Charlie Chaplin said, one another thing in the as a young people you have
Ansayong. Badminton player?
Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin. He said as a young, you have to like do exercise because healthy is very important, guys. I think that's all for me. Yay.
I will share some.
Take it too much.
I want to share. So I also want to share some phrasal verb.
Yeah.
First, cut it out. Cut it out. But once cut it out, we link word together.
Oh,
Yeah. For
okay.
example, like this. The case like this. Your friends, I know you because of several reasons. Maybe they play and then you got distracted. So you want to stop him. Just don't always say stop. Just say cut it out.
Oh.
Yeah, cut it out, child or children, something like that. So, but remember, you can only use it for your relatives, your friends. Yeah, you can use it to your father, your mother. So it's kind of rude.
Oh.
It's informal.
Okay.
So say it to your friend. And the last one is down to earth.
Down to earth.
Down to earth. If you want to translate in Indonesia, it means rendah hati. Yeah, maybe that's it. So,
I have a question. Down to earth means. Can you give us example?
rendah hati. It's hard to give you example, but like this. For example, like the person is down to earth.
Oh.
So down to earth.
Oh, she's down to earth.
Yeah, sangat.
Okay. And we can add with some with sentence that we want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Down to earth and cut it out.
Cut it out. So at first, I heard you say cut it out. I said you said. I think you said what it out.
Cut it out.
I don't know. Just I got at the first time I got shocked.
And sayang before.
You have a very strong sense of humor.
Okay, maybe I can be a stand-up comedian. Okay, so smart listener, I thought it was really fun conversation among us, yeah. And then we really enjoy our conversation tonight. So we will back again next meeting next week, especially on Tuesday night. So for smart listener. If you want to listen again with BPC, please